Second class science, ninth lesson, air everywhere. Air everywhere. Everywhere. Okay, this lesson question and answers, children. Okay, air everywhere. First question. Who needs air? Who needs air? First question. I write only answer. You can write question and answer in your notebook. Okay. First question answer. People, comma, animals, and plants, need air to live. Need air to live. What is the first question? Who needs air? Answer: people, animals and plants need air to live. Next, second question. What does air contain? What is the second question? What does air contain? Answer: air contains water vapor, smoke, dust, germs, and germs. What is the second question? What does air contain? Answer: air contains water vapor, smoke, dust and germs. Okay. Third question answer. What is the third question? What is a breeze? Moving air is called breeze. Moving air is called breeze. Next, fourth question. List 3 ways in which the wind helps us. Fourth question answer. WI and the wind help us to fly kites, make boat sail, and dry the clothes, dries the clothes. What is the fourth question answer? Wind help us to fly kite, make boat sail and dries the clothes. Okay. First question answer. People, animals and plants need air to live. Second question answer. Air contains water vapor, smoke, dust and germs. Third question answer. Moving air is called breeze. Fourth question answer. Wind help us to fly kites, make boat sail, boat sail and dries the clothes. Next, fifth question answer. First question, how are storms harmful? Okay, storms, STORMS. Storms are harmful. Because they can damage can damage houses. They can damage houses, crop, trees and animals. Storms are harmful because they can damage houses, crop, trees and animals. Okay, next, sixth question. What is a weathercock used for? What is a weathercock used for? Sixth question answer. A weathercock is used for showing the showing the direction of the wind. Okay, sixth question answer. A weathercock is used for showing the direction of the wind. You can write question and answer both in your notebook. Okay, and learn spellings. Okay children, thank you.